ये है कि जिस तरीके से फिल्म में पुलिस का टैटू लगा करके आप दीवाने हैं सिंघम के, असल जिंदगी में सिंघम के कितने बड़े दीवाने हैं रणवीर?
मुझे पूछ रहे हैं आप नहीं टैटू लगाया है तो मैंने क्या टैटू लगाया? यार मैं रोहित सर का बहुत पहले से बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ और मतलब if you ask me, he's made some of the greatest commercial cinema that we've ever seen. Golmaal 3, Singham, Chennai Express, these are some of my favorite films of all time. Singham franchise का मैं बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ और अजय सर की फिल्में देख के तो मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ. He's one of my favorite actors, one of my screen idols, you know, the true blue macho hero. I've seen his films since Fool or Kante, Zakham Company. I mean, he's a legend. So to be sharing screen space with him is nothing short of a dream for me. To work with him was so refreshing. He's so down to earth, so grounded, such a chilled out guy. I had a most wonderful experience and fond memories in my heart forever. It's really this whole, being a part of Simba, being a part of Rohit sir's world, collaborating with Ajay sir, it's really a dream come true for me.
रोहित सर, ये नाम का इजाद कब हुआ? ये सिम्बा इस फिल्म का टाइटल कैसे रखा आपने?
ये क्रेडिट कौन कहाँ है? स्नेहा मेरी चीफ है, हाथ ऊपर कर रही है क्रेडिट लेने के लिए. देखो, शी केम अप विद द नेम जो सिंघम इज लायन, और सिंघम का जो बच्चा है, जैसे लायन किंग में हमने देखा उसे सिम्बा कहते हैं, तो ये सिंघम का बच्चा है, सिम्बा.
Hi, and good afternoon, everybody, and thank you. My God, I've never seen so many people for the launch of a trailer. Give it up for yourselves, guys. This is a thunderous Monday. It's your hashtag Monday motivation is this kind of energy. Amazing. So I have to say that I'm going to start by just talking about myself for exactly 2 seconds by saying that today was the first day my babies went to school. And why I say school? Because there is another school that I have finally associated with. It's called the School of Rohit Shetty. The Rohit Shetty School of Cinema, which is unabashed, it's unapologetic, and it's in your face in the best fashion ever. Like literally his conviction is paramount, his films are universal, and he's hit it out of the park every time. So he has the best record as a mainstream filmmaker. I would say that he is India's most mainstream filmmaker that there is or there might ever be. So collaborating, for Dharma Productions to collaborate with Reliance and with Rohit Shetty has been an honor, it's been a prestige, and it's been an absolute privilege. Now there are many firsts. There's our coming together. Rohit and me have been friends, have been talking about this forever. We have literally sat on platforms together, be it talk shows or reality shows, and now being on the poster of a film is an exhilarating feeling and beyond. The other first is the mega combination of this absolutely crazy, mad maniac, Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty. Now, it doesn't get madder than Ranveer Singh. The things he says, the things he does, the things he wears, and even the way he gets married. He hasn't stopped getting married for a month. And let me tell you, that is a record no individual in the world can break. Imagine being married for a month and it still tracks every time he comes and he gets married. Finally, he is married. And we can all say with abandon, congratulations, Ranveer. We love you. We love you. And I can tell you with assurance that his love story with Deepika is beautiful, but you have no idea how beautiful his love story with Rohit Shetty is. There is a total bromance that this film exudes and explodes. And to add to that mix is the very beautiful, the gorgeous Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan is really completing this package with poise, with grace, and with tremendous lineage. She has a film releasing before ours on the 7th, and we wish you well. From the team of Simba, we wish the team of Kedarnath all the love and all the luck, and we love you. And before I say any further, I want you to see this collaboration burst on celluloid. This is the launch of the Simba franchise, ladies and gentlemen. You already have the magnitude of Singham, but now we have Ranveer literally exploding from the poster. If you see the hoardings all over the city, he explodes and implodes on you. And before, as I said, I say any further, have a look, ladies and gentlemen, at the theatrical trailer of Simba releasing on the 28th of December at every theater near you.
Come on, give it up for him. Mr. Shubhashish Sarkar from Reliance Entertainment. Mr. Apurva Mehta, the producers, ladies and gentlemen. Please, zordar taliyan. And then the gorgeous lady, the very talentedly gorgeous Miss Sara Ali Khan. Give it up for her. कह रही है encounter करने के तरीके बता रही हैं, अपनी अदाएं काफी हैं इनकी. Give it up for the dude, the hunk. Give it up for the one and only Sonu Sood. The very talented Mr. Ashutosh Rana. And of course, कैसे भूल सकते हैं सिद्धार्थ जाधव. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for this कमाल का crew. Thank you so much. That's all we have for you. You got to make some noise ना यार आगे के लिए. The one, the only Baba Ranveer Singh. Welcome, welcome. तोड़ दूंगा. Ranveer Singh, Simba, and now the blockbuster director. एक blockbuster entry चाहिए. Give it up for the one, the only Rohit Shetty. Presenting the entire cool crew of the movie Simba, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's time for a quick photo op. और फिर सवाल जवाब तक पहुंचेंगे हम. Welcome, welcome. We good? Without mics, we'll do it. Without? ले लेते mics ले लो please. Thank you so much. Sir, this is for you. All right, we'll do the pictures, Abhi, okay? And now, before we move on to the media or unke question answers, Rohit sir, one question only to you, and that is, कि ये जो reaction मिला है, this is all organic, you know. They just loved it. What do you have to say? Because after all this mehnat, the report card is here. You just saw the response. What do you have to say?
I can say is thank you to all of you, and I hope film का भी यही response मिले. That's more important.
मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा? Of course मिलेगा, बाबा. What do you have to say? क्या मतलब wait कर रहे थे आपका?
ऑर्गेनिक तो तू ऐसे रीइटरेट कर रहा है जैसे पैसा दिया पब्लिक को. कुछ भी मत बोला नितिन. हाँ, इंट्रो में कैसे बोलता है? हाँ, फुल इंग्लिश. क्या दादा? Come on guys, आला रे आला. ऐसे थोड़ी. चला बोला आला रे आला. ये
एकदम फिट आहे. आणि मैं एकदम कहाँ घूम गया था. Shubhashish sir, what do you have to say? You know, backing a project like this with two stalwarts, you know, सबसे आगे केजो sir खड़े हैं, रोहित sir खड़े हैं. What do you have to say?
I mean, honestly, I have to say nothing. I mean, the only thing, what you are asking me, if Rohit and Karan is doing a film, what is the reaction for so far as I am concerned to give? The only thing which I want to add here is that I remember 1 year back, last year we have been doing Golmaal and similar situation.
Yeah.
I only say that Rohit's film is always for festival. So last year it was Diwali, this year it is New Year. So let's get prepared for that.
अभी धमाल होने वाला है यहाँ पे, you know, जैसे मैंने कहा था, save the best for the last. Sara, welcome.
Thank you.
And आपकी अदाएं काफी एनकाउंटर करने के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों का हो गया. What do you have to say? Response देख रहे हो आप? बहुत सारी जो फीमेल फैन फॉलोइंग है रणवीर सिंह की, उनको हो रही है बड़ी दिक्कत यार, ये बड़ा करीब करीब है. What do you have to say on that?
बहुत मजा
Come on, make some noise here. See, that's what I'm talking about.
नहीं, बहुत मजा आया सबके साथ काम करते और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ. अभी भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि इन सब लोगों के साथ मैं खड़ी हूँ. तो बस थैंक यू टू देम एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
मैडम एक बार आपके स्टाइल में आदाब. आए हैं.
What we'll do is we'll take questions. मेरे तो चलते रहेंगे. आप लोगों से सवाल ले लेते हैं हम लोग. We'll start with the media Q&A, right? Are we all set? जी.
सर थैंक यू रोहित सर. थैंक यू करण. पहला सवाल ये है कि जिस तरीके से फिल्म में पुलिस का टैटू लगा करके आप दीवाने हैं सिंघम के, असल जिंदगी में सिंघम के कितने बड़े दीवाने हैं? रणवीर.
मुझे पूछ रहे हैं आप? तो मैंने क्या टैटू लगाया?
यार मैं रोहित सर का बहुत पहले से बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ और मतलब if you ask me, he's made some of the greatest commercial cinema that we've ever seen. Golmaal 3, Singham, Chennai Express, these are some of my favorite films of all time. सिंघम फ्रेंचाइज का मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और अजय सर की फिल्में देख के तो मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ. ही इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एक्टर्स, वन ऑफ माई स्क्रीन आइडल्स, यू नो द ट्रू ब्लू macho hero. I've seen his films since Phool Aur Kaante, Zakham Company. I mean, he's a legend. So to be sharing screen space with him is nothing short of a dream for me. To work with him was so refreshing. He's so down to earth, so grounded, such a chilled out guy. I had a most wonderful experience and fond memories in my heart forever. It's really this whole being a part of Simba, being a part of Rohit sir's world, collaborating with Ajay sir, it's really a dream come true for me.
रोहित सर, ये नाम का इजाद कब हुआ? ये सिम्बा इस फिल्म का टाइटल कैसे रखा आपने?
ये क्रेडिट कौन कहाँ है? स्नेहा मेरी चीफ है, हाथ ऊपर कर रही है क्रेडिट लेने के लिए. देखो, शी केम अप विद द नेम जो सिंघम इज लायन, और सिंघम का जो बच्चा है, जैसे लायन किंग में हमने देखा उसे सिम्बा कहते हैं, तो ये सिंघम का बच्चा है, सिम्बा.